Our first speaker is Nidhi Gupta, followed by Rooney Gu.
As parents, we fear when we are not connected to our children 24/7 via wireless communication devices. My name is Dr. Nidhi Gupta. I'm a mother of a 5th grader and a kindergartner, pediatric endocrinologist here in Franklin, screen time researcher for the last 10 years, and author of best-selling book, Calm the Noise. I'm not here to repeat the research you all already know about bell-to-bell, phone-free school day. The evidence is clear. Simply the presence of smartphones in learning environment affects students' attention, memory, behavior, empathy, and school culture. Tonight, I want to briefly address 5 concerns that were raised and hopefully reassure some thoughtful and worried parents. Number 1, are we sheltering children from the real world? No. The goal is not to shelter children from the real world, but to prepare them for it with stronger academics, robust mental health, and real human connection. A phone-free school day strengthens these skills. Number 2, shouldn't high schoolers be allowed to use phones during lunch? As adults, we often take a break by scrolling, but scrolling is not resting. It is stimulating and exhausting. Students need boredom or human conversation during breaks so their brains can reset for the next class. A typical teen receives 237 notifications per day, mostly during school hours. Checking their texts and scrolling social media during lunch and then expecting them to focus on the next class is unfair. A phone-free lunch is not a punishment. It is cognitive reset. Number 3, don't students need to learn responsible phone use because they will need these skills eventually? Absolutely, but the key word here is eventually, not right now. Right now, their developing brains cannot resist addictive algorithms. Number 4, how will parents communicate with children during the day? We once had clear systems in place before smartphones became common. Urgent matters were handled by the school. Everything else waited until dinner. Those systems are being revived by schools nationwide. Last, how about emergencies? Law enforcement has made it very clear. Phone use during emergencies increases chaos, spreads misinformation, and gets in the way of first responders. Students need to hear safety instructions, not be recording videos or calling home. Please let me summarize. Lunch period is not just downtime. It is developmental time, critical for communication, friendship, and building school community. A bell-to-bell phone-free day is not a restriction. It is a gift of attention, of calm, of connection, a gift of restoring childhood. In a world filled with digital noise, I invite the board today to lead not with fear, but with evidence, courage, and care. Thank you.
Thank you.